Guess who's back? Back again. Hello. This is Cooking with Cole. It's almost Halloween, and so I'm gonna be showing you how to carve a gigantic pumpkin. So give me something I can carve this with. No. Give me! There we go. What you'll need to do with this pumpkin first is to, well, carve the top of it. We'll need to get the seeds out. So this is only like 3 inches long, so we'll see how this works. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! So we need to make a perfect circle here. If my hand wants to do anything right for once, hand, listen to me. Okay. Okay. Woo! Here we are with a pumpkin and a 3-inch knife. Woo! Is it hot in here or is it just you, pumpkin? I'm in love with you. It does not want to get in that little hole right there. You okay there, pumpkin? No? Shut up. Will you come out, please? Where's like your stem? Usually it's a lot bigger. Oh, ta-da. Flippity floppity, I already got the scoopity. Where'd you go? Wait, where'd my scoop go? Oh! It really is magic. We're gonna scoop these seeds. Good start. You know what, you can go in there too. I'm just gonna use my hands. It's like you're a Viking, but not from Minnesota. Ooh, look at that. That's like 20 right there. No. Okay, so now with your hand all nice and shiny, let me get my little paper. Let's just dig on in there and just, oh, this is gonna take forever, hold on. Wibbity, give me the almighty hammer back. Okay, try the other side. Oops. Okay. Okay, the only time the lights would go out is if I'm wanting to scare myself. And I don't remember wanting to scare myself today. Oh God! Never trust a knife. Oh, what the? Okay, so the pumpkin's right there, and the knife is right there, and I'm right here. Then who's flickering the lights? Nosferatu! Wait, Nosferatu? How? I locked you in my closet years ago! Oh no! Pumpkin carving, I'm sorry. This is it. That's all, folks.